everyone, my name is Muskan Turaha and my roll number is 21MF10026. This is my third DIY assignment in which I am going to assemble and disassemble a mosquito repellent. So today I am going to open this mosquito repellent machine for my DIY assignment. It is in a working condition and this is the refill which contains the liquid which kills the mosquitoes, and this is the rod which soaks the liquid from the refill. And so now let's open it. I'm using a screwdriver. So let's open it now. So this is what it looks from inside. So here is the part where we put the refill. So the refill goes here and the upper part of this rod goes into this substance which soaks, which help in observing the repellent liquid. This is the button which help in controlling the power of the machine. This is the LED, and here we have the capacitor and the diode, and in here we have a resistance. So this is the main wire. So when it is connected to the source electricity, the diode here heat up and the liquid and the liquid which evaporates the liquid in the repellent and it evaporates, and the vapors get mixed in the air and kills the mosquitoes. So this was all about the repellent machine. Now we'll assemble it again. So we'll put it the cover so that the LED comes here and the button comes here. And now we'll use a screwdriver. Check if it is working. So as you can see, it is working, and from here we can adjust the power of it.